Today, we're diving into 3 ways to optimize your video descriptions. So let's jump straight in. Hello and welcome to Affordable Socials, the go-to channel for all things social media. I'm your host, Jemima, a social media manager, content creator, and influencer. We drop weekly segments teaching you easy how-to tips and tricks for social media. Tip 1, use keywords strategically. The first step to optimizing your video descriptions is to use keywords strategically. Think about the words and phrases your audience is likely to search for when looking for content like yours, and incorporate them naturally into your description. This will help improve your video's visibility in search results and attract more viewers to your content. Tip 2, provide a detailed summary. Next, make sure to provide a detailed summary of your video in the description. This gives the viewer a clear idea of what to expect from your content and helps them decide whether they want to watch. Include key points, takeaways, and any additional resources mentioned in the video to provide value to your audience and encourage engagement. Tip 3, include relevant links and CTAs. Finally, don't forget to include relevant links and calls to action, CTAs, in your video description. This should include links to your related content, your website, social media profiles, or products and services mentioned in the video. CTAs prompt viewers to take action, whether it's subscribing to your channel, visiting your website, or engaging with your content in other ways. And there you have it, 3 powerful strategies to optimize your video descriptions. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you're feeling ready to take your video content to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below with your thoughts. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out via email or live chat on the website. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing!